Good morning, everybody. So the DAX is still stuck in the range we were looking at yesterday. You can see it's just still got the levels drawn in from yesterday plus the channel. So I don't think there's anything brewing at the moment. We do have a fairly strong level of support here at 17,762. If you look left, you can see the relevance of that. And in actual fact, I don't have that exact. There it is exact, so that's 17,758. You can probably round that off to 17,750. So that is our strong area of support there, and then we have a fairly strong area of resistance to the upside at 17,926. So the moral of my story still stays the same. We're going to need to break through one of those levels for me to even consider taking a trade at the moment. You can see the 3 hour here pretty much sideways, nothing really going on. Drop down to the hour, big up above the moving averages, big down below the moving averages, and then sideways. So it's pretty much the same price action as the day before. Wednesday and Thursday's price action has been fairly interesting. Now, one thing to note is that we did get above the swing high here, which we were looking at. So it was a close above the top of the range at 17,926. You can see there's a close, but I think we'll probably see the price action better on the 15. Bring this down. So above moving averages. First we rejected it, then we got going, but it would have needed to go past a couple more bars, at least to that 1800 area, reject something higher up, not reject something in the middle of nowhere, then pull back and find support on the 17,926. But what it did here is really just find form a double top with diversions on the oscillators. So it swung back to the downside. But typical range day. And if I just look left, this is where we turn at 17,961. There is a bit of structure here, as you can see. Well, there's a solid bit of structure being this pin bar here, 17,963, and that's exactly where we headed. See there, that's triggered that with a hanging man, not really an inside bar, so obviously just wait for the second one, and there's another hanging man with confirmation, so potential double top. So you could possibly, if you're awake, take on that, but I think I'd already resigned myself to just waiting. So for me today, it's still the same story. I need us to get above, well, now we've extended the top of the range. Now we need to find support at 17,963 or 17,926. So I need price to break through, move up, come back, test it with an inside bar, pin bar, or engulfing bar, and that would give me the confidence that we have a move to the upside. I'm very reluctant to take the short, but this level is still open, 17,758. We have not tested it, and if you get to the 8 hour, you will see there's a fairly strong level of support here at 17,758. So that is still open. We're bouncing off the 150 EMA here of the 8 hour. Everything here is indicating that we could bounce, but then again it could just be forming a range for another leg down. But the leg down is going to have to be very, very clear for me to take. And it's going to involve breaking through 17,758. Breaking through properly, coming back and rejecting it, and then I would look at shorts. But for me, this is sit on hands until one of these two levels break, and my bias is more for the break to the upside rather than the break to the downside. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.